Knowing the stroke warning signs can save a life. News on 6's Michaela Glenn reports the faster a person who's having a stroke gets help, the faster their recovery time.
Monica Bien was home with her husband when she says she noticed her vision changed.
I felt help since then.
She said after looking at a text and not being able to understand the words on the screen, she quickly alerted her husband that something was wrong.
I knew that I could be having a stroke, and I was kind of still in denial that I could be having a stroke. And so I asked my husband to record me speaking because I wanted to see if it was as real as it felt.
Monica also happens to be a speech therapist who sees stroke patients for a living.
And I know the signs and symptoms of a stroke, and I had learned this, it's been ingrained in me, and I've seen it in so many patients. And when I started experiencing them myself, that's one of the reasons I was in denial.
Monica says she had what's called an ischemic stroke, which means that it did not bleed into the brain. She says people can remember the stroke warning signs using the acronym BE-FAST.
The B stands for balance, the E stands for eyes, the F stands for face, if you have a facial droop. A is arm, if your arm is not working properly. S is speech, which was the issue that I was having. And T means time.
She believes her quick response time saved her life and shortened her recovery. Monica says if you have any symptoms of a stroke, immediately go to the hospital. In Tulsa, Michaela Glenn, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.